what to do, baby.
Hey, are you gonna start juicing? We're gonna juice this, aren't we?
We are.
This is the first time we've tried a juicer, and this is a cold press juicer. And it doesn't go as fast as some of the juicers. You want to try to get the cold pressed one. What do you have your computer, your iPad out here for?
I do have my iPad out here because I'd like to take a look at that recipe again.
Oh.
Because I want to follow it to the T.
Okay,
Don't
well,
you think?
I think we've already followed it, right? You've got all the stuff right there.
I do have everything.
Right there. Actually, this is my this is my sister-in-law's recipe, and this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so cucumber, kale,
Celery sticks,
okay.
apples, a half a lemon,
Let's,
and a piece of ginger.
yeah.
We have canola oil.
Okay. Hello, Mother. We're making a video here. I don't know if we do or not. I wonder how loud that is. It says to turn it on first before you put it in. Ooh, nice. Okay. And here's the little container pusher. Push it down. And we've already got juice flowing. What did you just put in? Ginger?
The cucumber.
Oh, the cucumber, okay.
Okay.
Now the kale,
Here's the kale.
6 stalks.
Yeah. Can I ask you something?
Not yet. They said on leafy vegetables and stuff, you might want to roll it up as you put it in. So try rolling those two up. Roll them up a little bit. There you go, like that. Okay. 4 stalks of celery. We're not quite sure how much juice this is going to make. We're hoping this is going to make enough for 2 of us, but maybe not. This might only be enough for 1 person. 4 stalks of celery we're putting in.
You know how to see the facts.
Figure it out. Sure.
Should I put everything and have them send it?
Let's try. Let me take a look at the jars.
And we got 2 green apples we're putting in.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. And she put in half of a lemon, and we peeled the lemon, and the ginger. Okay, 1 little piece of ginger. Said maybe an inch, but we put in a little bit less than that. You know.
Yeah.
You know. Okay, that's it.
Okay, well, that is it.
Okay, turn her off, and let's see what we got. Grab us a couple cups. Hey, let's just use the little plastic cups right there.
All right.
Okay. And I don't know, do you need to mix that up at all?
Looks like it's divided.
Yeah, it does a little bit. You might have to like
I'm gonna get a little spoon.
give it a stir. And I think this is going to be enough for 2 people.
I think it might just be.
And they say when you do juicing like this for vegetables, you want to drink it right away. You don't want to store it for any amount of time
Yeah.
or for the next day or something, okay? All right.
I think everybody's gonna get a little bit of this.
Yes.
juice.
Mother, would you like to try this?
Yes, I would.
Okay. All right. Pour the rest in there. Okay, Mother, go over there. We're gonna drink up and see how this tastes.
There you go.
Cheers. Cheers, Mother.
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
Mother.
It's not too bad.
Come on. What is it? Not too bad. They have all kinds of different recipes, and we're going to have to get used to this because we've made a commitment, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
That we're going to start juicing vegetables
Yes.
and drinking them. This is probably like one little meal right here.
It's got good vegetables in them. I think it tastes pretty good.
The portions are right. You know, the portions are perfect as far as like
Mm.
green to acidity level.
Now you said
And that ginger, I think, was just
enough, huh?
of a bite. in it.
Willie cut off about a ½ an inch. Some recipes call for about an inch. So you just have to try it out. And we used all organic, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
And you said you didn't really like
Yes.
kale, but we've got 6 stalks of
I hate
kale in
kale.
there. But so you're drinking 2 stalks. I drank 2. Mother, you drank 2.
Whoa!
So
I can feel it already.
So this, I would say, for 2 people, that recipe is pretty good. That
It
would
be
be.
about 16 ounces each if we did 2 people just.
No, I'd say about.
This was
well,
about 8 ounces.
10 ounces. I don't
Oh,
know.
yeah,
Maybe.
you think that was 8
Maybe.
ounces?
And that, I would say, you could do just for breakfast, or for lunch, or a snack, or something like that. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
still working on it.
Yes, you're still working on it. Mine is good.
Mine went right down.
Went right down. And you can find all kinds of juicing recipes
On the internet.
on the internet. That's what you did, huh?
Yes, I did.
And you found this actual recipe almost like for like that
Exactly.
Lindy showed me one, my sister-in-law, and it was basically the very same thing except half a portion. So we did Lindy's recipe, and the other one was double this. So had we have done a double, we would have done, oh, I don't know, almost 16 ounces each for 2 people, wouldn't we have? Okay. Now we've got to clean this up, and that's the one part about juicing you're just going to have to get used to. And the thing I liked about this juicer, some juicers don't have a big huge hole right here. You know, some are a lot smaller. This one is, oh, I don't know, 2 inches in diameter or so, or more. And you can cut bigger pieces of apple and stuff. Let's get an actual measurement, because I'm kind of curious what this is. So when people look at stuff on the internet, they can see. Okay, that's 3 inches. 3 inches in diameter. Some are about 2. Then you have to chop everything really super small. So what was this one called? This was a bevel?
A Breville.
A Breville. 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 And I think this was the masticator, the cold pressed.
Cold press.
Juicer.
Juicer.
Okay.
It's very good.
All right. Well, thank you,
Thank you.
very much, and I will see you next time.
Uh-oh, are you coming back?
Hey, can you say that again?
I said, I
Are-
kind of rather like this juicing thing. Our introduction to juicing.
Yes, Juicing 101.
Juicing 101.
And you said you would have liked it with maybe a little bit more lemon.
Yeah, a little more citrus, maybe orange or something. Maybe a ½ an orange.
So you can pick and choose, and you can start figuring out different things you want to use. Next time we're going to use some beets. Here's some Swiss chard, some carrots, and a few other things. Here's some more kale. So we're going to look at a few different recipes, and I think one of the keys is to use some green apples for a flavoring, you know?
Lemon and green apples, I think, for flavoring.
Yeah, we were going to use some red apples, some Fuji apples, but I think the green apples probably give it a little more
Zing.
something, and it probably helps you with all the green stuff, even if you don't like greens. Okay, so So the juice was kind of green in color. You don't even have to look at it when you drink it. You can just drink it down. It's going to be good for you. If you can do that for 21 days, form some new habits. Isn't that what it's all about?